My name is Monique Llanos. I live in Dysart and I'm 21. I work in countryside management as an apprentice and I work for Rural Skills Scotland. The apprenticeship is called estate management. As someone who's never had a job before, it's a great start off for me. Here I get to try almost everything and I get to grow upon wherever I want. Day to day I will clean up the workshop. I will go along and make sure all the engines and the machinery work after they've been used and clean them. We will mainly just start with just loading up the trucks and then going off to various jobs, which currently is at a forestry site. I would use a variety of tools from loppers to brush cutters, trimmers, blowers, even occasionally the chipper. In my embroidery apprenticeship, I do all the paperwork here, from writing up all the tasks I've done, as well as doing all the practical stuff here, along with like engine maintenance and all that. Working outdoors is one of the main things I wanted to do in life. Like, I can't stay in an office. Can't stay still either. I get to have the benefits of the natural environment from like the sun, or just being out all the time. It gets me more fitter. I have the opportunity to work with people, which I don't usually do. I don't know, it's just overall good. My job impacts quite a bit because it helps the local community keep up with the natural environment, making sure that the paths are clear, that people are able to enjoy the parks properly, that trees don't just suddenly land on them. You need to want to do this type of job. You need the motivation, the determination and the attentiveness to learn and want to grow within this type of field. Otherwise I feel like it would lose a lot of people. It's physically demanding at some points, especially with the weather. This job's incredibly rewarding. If anything, it's like a proud achievement of mine to get this far. I enjoy this job immensely, which I thought I wouldn't. For anybody ever considering to do this line of work, I would say go for it.